best part, transaction cost in FX is low. There is no to low commissions per trade. You pay a bid-ask spread, which is the difference between the buy and the sell price. And also, if you hold your trade for an extended period of time overnight, you pay a swap, which is an interest rate on that trade. So transaction cost in general is a lot lower when you're trading in FX compared to a lot of different instruments. So these are all the benefits, all the things that attracts me towards trading FX. And you know, through my years of coaching people, many students, I've also seen that these are the things that have attracted people towards trading better or trading in FX, you know, which also has, with lower transaction costs, with all that benefits, led them to trade better as well.